Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Ally Bank. First, navigate to the official Ally Bank website. Once there, you'll see options for various accounts like checking, savings, or investing. Select the account type that best fits your financial goals. Then, simply click the Open Account button to start your application. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience. Next, you'll need to provide some personal details. This includes your full legal name, current address, and contact information. For security and verification purposes, you'll also be asked for your social security number and date of birth. Take a moment to read through the terms and conditions thoroughly. Understanding these details is important before you agree and move forward. Now it's time to fund your new Ally Bank account. You can easily link an existing external bank account to transfer your initial deposit. Consider setting up direct deposit for your paycheck or using mobile check deposit for convenience. Double-check all the funding details and ensure everything is accurate before finalizing. This step secures your account and gets you ready to start banking. Finally, complete any remaining application steps and submit your request. You'll typically receive confirmation quickly. Once your account is active, take some time to explore Ally Bank's robust online banking platform and mobile app. Discover features like budgeting tools, bill pay, and customer support options. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.